Hey, man, if you ever went out to your golf cart and it don't run, well, here we got a Ezgo PDS. Don't run. Customer looked at it, put a new controller on it, took the motor off, and still don't run. What we're going to do is dive into it and see what's wrong with it, man. Stay with us here now, and we'll see what's going on with it. Now, as you can see here, he's got another controller on there, and he has, let's see. That's the original controller there. He's got toe switches here. That looks wired, right? What we do is turn the battery on. Little button you push on here. Battery's on. First thing you always do is turn your voltmeter to volts DC. That's V with a straight line. We'll go to 200. All right. I'm gonna put on the main positive, main negative. On the side of the battery, we got 39.8 volts. Here, baby. I'm wondering if you put one of them controllers on there and it just bad controller. But let's see. Orange. All right, he got the key already out for me. All right, I'm gonna flip the toe switch, see if it's in toe. Now, if you look at the toe switch, you can tell which is toe by that slot right there. It has a slot in it, that means it's off. All right, you can see right there the buzzer works. Put it forward, hit the gas. All right, nothing happens. So whenever you put it in reverse and the buzzer works, that tells you that the reed switch is good, the toe switch is good because it's powering up the controller. All right, so don't worry about testing the toe switch and the reed switch not going the sound in reverse. Then look above right now and you'll see the video, and I'll post a video you need to look at. You can't click on it, but you just go to my page, type it in and watch it. So what we're going to do, take the black lead of the meter, we're going to stick it in the wire here. All right, and I'm just going to touch it to the positive, make sure I have voltage. Yeah. All right, and what we're going to do now, we're going to test all 4 posts on the toe switch. You see, baby? So I got to go right here. Put all 4 posts on the toe switch. All right, so I got to go. All 4 should read battery voltage. Battery voltage. Battery voltage. Battery voltage. And battery voltage. All right, so that tells me the toe switch is good. Now you want to go to your bottom 2 wires on your controller, the red and orange. This wire here, you got battery voltage. The other red and white wire, which is the reed switch wire, we have voltage. So I'm going to go to my white, which is to my key switch. Have voltage on the key switch wires. That knows the controller's putting out voltage. Now my white and yellow one is my key switch return. I'm going to turn the key on, and you can see there you have key switch voltage, so the key switch is good. If not good, replace your key switch, or controller could be bad from this circuit to this circuit. Now I'm going to put it in the yellow. This is my output to my small post on the solenoid here, and you can see I have voltage. So everything's looking like it should here. See the gray wire. Now the gray wire is your output to your forward and reverse switch. So now we're going to check the forward side of the switch, which is going to be my green wire. It's going to be forward. If you don't have voltage here in forward, replace the switch or check it at the switch and make sure you have voltage. Now in reverse, in forward. Now in reverse, I'm going to check the orange wire. You can see I have voltage in reverse. All right. What's crazy though is when I go to forward and put it in reverse, I have voltage. But it could be probably just dead amp voltage. But when I put it in forward on reverse, I have no voltage. All right, so now what we're going to do is check because right now everything checks good on the controller like it's feeding in voltage. But we got to check one thing, the main important thing down here, which is your 4-pin plug here from your ITS. You got your red, your green, black, and white. Your red, feeds a micro switch. Your green is the return from the micro switch. So let's hit the gas. You can see there, solenoid click this time. It ain't never clicked before. which is a good thing. All right, we have the black and white here. Now, if you don't have no voltage on the green wire, check your micro switch in the floorboard and check the wire going to it. Now, your black wire here, that black can't see. Yep. All right, your white wire is going to feed 14 volts as soon as you turn the key on. If it don't, replace controller if everything else checks good. Your black wire here is going to be your return from the ITS. At full pedal, you should get to about 2.9. All right, you have that. It ain't running still. All right. So right now, everything checks good like it should, except it just ain't running. So what we're going to do is check the controller output. We're going to put the red lead here. Now, you could put the red lead on the main positive, but by doing this here, you test the solenoid at the same time. So I'm putting on B+, my red, A1 on the negative. All right, you can see there right now. That's what we have. Now, of course, you got voltage, just dead voltage. When I hit the gas, I have battery voltage out. So that tells me that my motor should run unless I'm not having direction here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the gas and I'm gonna see if it sparks under my forward and reverse drive. Oh, if you hold the solenoid. All right, so that tells me if you listen to it, watch it. All right. If I unhook one of my drivers here, this is my forward and reverse drive here, just field winding wires here. If you unhook one of them, the solenoid goes click, click, which is good. That means that it ain't getting the field winding side. But, so apparently here I have something wrong with the motor. Or baby. But all right, man, I'm going to test the motor, man. I'll let y'all know what I find out once I get it apart, see what's going on with it. Always remember, man, one thing. Hey, man, watch another video of mine. I greatly appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, turn that bell on so you get the alerts. Stay tuned, fellas.